So I'm at a Kolak elephant home. It's a sanctuary for elephants, a lot better than I saw up in the mountains where people were riding them. This is beautiful elephant. This elephant is called Grandma Sandy. She's 63 years old. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful animal. We'll see if she'll come over to me. I have a basket of sugar cane. Here she comes. There you go, girl. Get it? Sugar cane and bananas. She's a beautiful girl. Hey, sweetheart. Oh. So I'll just let her come to me. Yeah, you want a banana? What are you eating there, Sandy? Bit of grass. Some of those grasses I saw the other day. How important are they? It's very peaceful here. You want another piece? Here we go. Sugar cane. Sandy? Oh, she won't come in for it. There she comes. There you go, girl. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful old girl.